once again, you should notice two significant modifications. While the wingmen, Lieutenant Commander Thomas Esty and Lieutenant Curley, maintain that minimum wingtip to canopy separation, the flight leader and slot pilot are both flat side
Are you enjoying yourself?
Yes, very much. The Blue Angel double farble.
I am too. Where are they? Here they are. Where are they? Oh, here they go. Sorry, making some
From behind the spectator area,
I'm not.
Oh yeah, you are. Flight line in a line of reservation.
Okay. Are you guys dizzy yet?
Per hour.
Which one do we follow?
Hold their aircraft 270 degrees and cross with minimum separation. Let's watch as both pilots sustain 6 times the force of gravity required to cross their aircraft over center point. Establish the right echelon formation. Setting up for their next maneuver, Blue Angels 5 and 6 are converging on center point to demonstrate the rapid rotary of the FA-18 fly-by-wire flight control system.
Are they now?
Crossing center point, they will complete 2 consecutive rolls, totaling 720 degrees, with a closure rate of over 800 miles per hour. Ladies and gentlemen, the opposing horizontal rolls.